So today I'm going to show you how we did almost a German schmear. I say almost because I'm going to show you close up what it looks like. It's not quite what we thought, but it's still cute from far away. Here's our schmear. Now, this is our fixed up version. I'll show you where we made our mistake. A lot of people ask, why didn't you just paint the brick white? Well, I guess you have to repaint every couple of years, so this will avoid that. You get yourself a bag of mortar mix and a bag of cement. This was our mistake. We bought the gray cement. Get yourself white cement and then it'll be perfect. You add them up both together in a bin and add water, mix it together until it's a thick paste. Then he used a float right there. That's that long shovel looking thing. And you slough it on the bricks. You just want to cover the bricks up so that you don't see the shape of the brick or the color anymore. Then I followed with a hose and a giant wet sponge and took a lot of it off so you could see a little bit of the brick peek through. That's key with the German schmear. And I love the name of it because you just schmear it on. There's a close-up of what I was doing, just kind of taking it off with and you can get it real wet, it doesn't matter. Taking it off a little, so see the little pops of red? That's what you want. Now Robbie kept saying, it's gonna lighten, it's gonna lighten. It didn't lighten, it stayed looking gray. That's why we painted it, just a white wash paint, and we got the desired effect. But of course, if you just buy the right cement in the first place, it'll look fine. And there it is. Doesn't it look nice and updated? We also painted the shutters black, and that helped the white look even cleaner and helped it pop. So I guarantee you could do this. It's foolproof, less than an hour, a couple of bucks, and what a great refresh. So there you go. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, comment below any questions, and thanks for joining us.